Exercise number 5.1, question number 8. Let P, Q and R be the midpoint of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively. So, the triangle ABC, the midpoint of the side AB is equal to P is the point of midpoint, right? And Q is the point of BC, midpoint of, and then R is the midpoint of AC, that is given, right? Now, find the coordinate of the vertices A, B, C. We want to find out the vertices of what is A, B, C, and compare this with area of triangle PQR. We want to find the vertices of ABC and we want to compare the triangle of ABC with PQR. We have to compare the triangle of ABC with PQR. So here let me take it as the unknown vertices as x1, y1 for first point. The second point is x2, y2, and then third point is x3, y3. We want to find out this all three vertices, and then PQR is given as the point P point is, let me take it as here, P of 11, 7, R of 9.5, 4, this is given, Q of the point is 13.5, 4. These 3 points are given. These 3 points are the midpoint of ABC. Now we want to find out that ABC vertices. I give you a short idea to find out that ABC vertices very simply. That is that A of, we want to find out A of x1, y1 is equal to A of, see that, first we are going to find that A value means, first nearer one x values should be added. Nearer one, let me take it as this is, here also we have x1, y1. Let me take it as this is A1, B1, A2, B2 and then A3, B3. Instead of xy, I am taking this A1, B1, A2, B2 and then A3, B3, right? Now, if you want to find the x1, y1 means from this vertex, nearer one should be added and the far one is subtracted. See here nearer one is A1 and then plus A3, the far one is minus A2. The same one for B1 plus B3 minus B2. This is the simple form to find the vertices of AB. Then A of, now apply the values of A1. A1 is equal to 11 plus A3 is equal to 9.5 minus A2 is equal to 13.5, comma B1 is equal to 7, B3 is equal to 4 and B2 is equal to minus 4. Now subtract this. A of sum of this number is 20.5. 20.5 minus 13.5 means we get 7. Here plus 4 and minus 4 both are cancelled, we get 7. So the A point is 7, 7 is the answer. Here we have short idea. If you are finding the vertices of A means add the nearer one. X value should be added separately and Y value should be added separately. Here instead of X and Y I take it as A, B. Right? So nearer one should be added and then far one should be subtracted. Now we are going to find the B value means see B of x2, y2. This is A of x1, y1. So x1 value is 7, y1 value is also 7. Now B of, see from this vertex, from here the nearer one should be add, this is the nearer one and the far one is A3. You have to subtract. So A1 plus A2 minus A3, B1 plus B2 minus B3. Now apply the values of A1, A2, B3, right? Then B of, the A1 value is 11 plus A2 is equal to 13.5 minus 9.5, B1 is equal to 7 plus B2 is equal to 4 minus B3 is equal to 4. Now this term is equal to B of, when we add this term we get 24.5. 24.5 minus 9.5 is equal to 15. Right? 24.5 minus 9.5 is equal to 15 minus plus 4 minus 4 cancel, we get 7. So that b of x2 comma y2 is equal to x2 value is 15, y2 value is 7. Next we want to find out that c of x3 comma y3. Therefore the c point, see from this vertex we want to add that nearer one. It is nearer one, right? This is the nearer one, and then for one we have to subtract, that is a1 b1 should be subtracted and a2 a3 should be added. Then we have the term a2 plus a3 minus a1 comma b2 plus b3 minus b1. Now applying the values, that is a2 is equal to given as 13.5 plus a3 is equal to 9.5 minus a1 is equal to 11, b2 is equal to 4, b3 is equal to 4 and b1 is equal to 7. Then c of 13.5 plus 9.5 is equal to 23, 23 minus 11 is equal to 12, right? Sum of this number is 23, 23 minus 11 is 12, and then sum of this number is 8, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So the c point is c of x3 comma y3 is equal to 12 comma 1. Now we have find out what is ABC point. By using this ABC we want to find the area of the triangle. Now area of the triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to, we know the formula of into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 again x1 y1 square units, right? Now we are going to apply the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. If you take it in the same order ABC means no problem. Even if you have the negative symbol in that area, finding area means you have to write it, turn it into a positive value. You should not be mentioned in a negative value, right? So otherwise, if you draw the roughly diagrams, graph diagram to mention the ABC and then take it in order, or otherwise simply you can do it in the term. Even you get the negative value, you should not be mentioned the negative. You should mention the positive value only. 7, 7, 15, 7, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, right? 12, 1, again 7, 7. Now, when we multiply this term, we get 7 7s are 49, right? 15 1s are 15 plus 12 7s are 84. Minus of the second term, 15 7s are 105 plus 12 7s are 84, 1 7s are 7. Then off into sum of this number is, when we add this we get 1. Sum of this term is equal to 148 minus of, if we add this term we get 196. So 196 minus 148, highest number is negative value, so we get here negative value. When you subtract this we get 48, right? Even you have the negative symbol here, you should not be mentioned the negative symbol in the answer. So this term is equal to 24 square units. Because we are finding area, there is no negative value. So the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 24 square unit. Now we want to find out what is that PQR. We want to compare the area of the triangle PQR. Now area of triangle PQR off into the same formula x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 again x1 y1 square units, right? Let me take it as the first point at x1 y1, second point at x2 y2, like this. Now we are going to apply the values as it is. 1 by 2 into x1 is 11 7, x2 is 13.5 4, x3 is 9.5 4, and then again x1 means 11 7. Next we have to multiply the terms, that is off into the first term we have to multiply 11 4s are 44. When we multiply this 4 into 13.5, 13.5 into 4 means 4 5s are 20, 0 remainder 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 44, 12 plus 2 14, 4 remainder 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 54. So we get here 54 plus 9 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 remainder 3. 7 9s are 60. 3 plus 3 is 66. 66.5 minus of the second term. When you multiply this, 7 5s are 35. 5 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 24. 4 remainder 2. 7 1s are 7 plus that is 94.5. Next, you have to multiply this, right? Plus 4 5s are 20, so 0. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 is 38. So 1 point is there, so 38 will be the number. Plus the last number 11 4s are 44. Then half into sum of this number. If you add this, we get sum of this number is 164.5 minus sum of this number is equal to 176.5. When we subtract this, we get, see, when we subtract this 176.5 minus 164.5 means here the negative symbol has the highest value, so we get negative value only. Here 0, 2, 1, 12.0, that is 12. That is half into minus 12. If we divide this term, we get 6 square units. 6 square units. Therefore, we want to compare this. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times of area of triangle PQR, because we have find out the area of the triangle is 24. See here, we have find out the area of the triangle ABC is equal to 24 square unit. Now compare with PQR is, that is PQR is 6 square unit. PQR is 6 square unit. If you multiply by 4, we get 24. That is triangle of ABC is equal to 4 times of area of the triangle PQR. That is the answer. Thank you, students.